Tomorrow we have to get a raspado leaving here and tosilocos and papitas and
don't they sell like the limon nieve?
¿Nieve de limón?
yeah. Pero tenemos una de aquí, güey, una de Ensenada, güey.
No, güey, yo quiero una de la fruta. Una que me dé chorro cuando llegue a la casa.
Este güey.
Abu. Mira esos perretes.
Rats. Oh shit. That's a real dog. That was
No,
statue.
No.
Cállate, güey. Estaba still when we drove by.
Yeah, people put the dogs on the roof. I don't know why.
Yard.
Eso parece Oxnard.
Oh, yeah,
Todos los files.
A ver.
Los files.
Oh, okay.
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 It's one of the Baja Country Club.
Baja.
Los pajetes.
Hector's being salty now.
Don't be salty.
I guess you can see that we're barely starting our day.
Oh fuck, for real. I'm fucking 4.
No, not even. It was 5:26.
It's 5 already?
Yeah, dude.
Fuck.
And it was delayed because someone water,
And it was not I.
and it was Diana's
No, it
fault.
wasn't.
She
What the
spent 2
fuck?
hours in the restroom.
That's a
God
fucking
knows
lie.
doing what. Dude,
I fall asleep when I shower, but that didn't happen. That was not the case this time.
So we were waiting for the water guy to get to the house.
Ah?
To shower?
I was going in and out. I'm like, to go.
So she basically wasted someone else's shower. We are currently heading
It's a
to
dog
the beach,
Dog
to the Playettes, and that beach. I guess that is it only at night, baby. That the
only at
water.
night?
I don't know. Well,
I don't know,
the water's
but
hot all the time, but like
the water's hot. Yeah,
We're going to that beach? Oh, fancy.
it's not fancy, Nancy.
It's a hot water beach, of course.
Con el tope, güey.
¿Qué?
So yeah, we're doing that, and then going to dinner after. I don't know. We're all hungover, tired.
I'm not hungover. Fuck.
Me neither.
Well, we were hungover and
No, I
tired.
am. I'm not gonna lie, I am.
Diana has something wrong with her stomach because she's lactose intolerant. Hector's being salty right now.
Salty bitch.
And Carlos siempre anda con el mismo modo.
Ese güey.
Ese güey.
Ese güey no cambia para nada.
A nada.
Jump.
I thought you had gotten pissed at you because you had gone to Walmart and taken
Dude,
and he's
he
like,
wa- were you
I'm
mad
not mad
because
at
of that?
I'm not mad at this. I'm mad because I because the guy hasn't gone.
We had to go to Walmart. Well, the plan was for us to go to Starbucks and get a coffee,
Yeah.
but
And he also asked for a torta.
and a
And what
torta.
did we give him? We brought him
McDonald's.
back a freaking orange juice.
That was because me and Dana didn't want to get off, or we
Not even
none of
fucking coffee, but orange juice.
yeah. We didn't want to get off and like get the
Shake the motherfucker.
Starbucks because they didn't have a drive-through. I mean, if they had a drive-through, we would have gone, but they don't have a drive-through.
Yeah, sorry. Es que somos un par de gorrettes. No nos gustaba vernos. Ahí es donde la estamos regando.
No.
Tenemos que caminar más.
Yeah.
Hey, por eso, empezando el
Por eso
martes,
estamos como estamos.
Mean vacas.
Hay que comer puro pasto. Como las vacas. Pero las vacas, aunque coman pasto, no bajan de peso.
Oh, shit. That'd be stiff.
What is that?
The dog food.
Yeah, he se quedó stiff.
Yeah, it was from the shock too.
Pobrecito.
No vayas a llorar.
No. ¿Va a subir?
No fui.
Por favor.
Sobelation.
Va fue.
Va fue.
Súbele. Por favor. Hector looks at him and he's like... When that lady offers the keychain... The face he made. He's like, por 12 pesos más le puedo vender una llavero de Coca-Cola del Mundial. And this was like... like he gives me that look like, is she serious right now?
Like, do I want a llavero to eat?
Like, I don't want your pinche llavero.
I'm not going on my bomba class life.
Let's go.
No tengas miedo, güey. Oh,
Oh, it's pretty my ring. Didn't fall off by accident. I'm gonna go like that. You're gonna sit down in your fucking.
he's vaccinating himself.
Want to know something? Are you recording?
Yeah.
My dad taught me that. Every time you go to the beach, you stick your feet in, at least stick your head in, and that way you don't get sick. If you get sick, you llaman meter los pies.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you mind?
We're gonna be like, PCR. Yeah, like,
Nah.
full suit and everything.
Do what?
Full suit and everything.
The water's not, it's not that cold, huh?
I think it gets colder once you get in deeper.
What's wrong?
Like a caveman.
Since none of us brought a cork, but we didn't even have one, we need to improvise.
Bananas.
Is it working?
Let's do it against the trash can.
No, you need like the concrete. That's solid dirt.
Yeah, so we came prepared. We came prepared.
But it's actually a brick.
Not really.
What about a shoe? I need a shoe. Because I can drill with the brick. Because the bricks are...
What?
The bottom? It's like a caveman.